Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Visual Studio Code latest stable version on Windows 10 or 11 operating systems. Okay, first go to VS Code official website, that is code.visualstudio.com. Then click on download for Windows or just click on download, both are same. Then see here we have the Windows 10 or 11, click on this download button. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here, its size is 119 megabytes and its version number is 1.107. See, download is completed. Now click on this exe file. See, this is the license agreement. Select this. I accept the license agreement. Checkbox, radio button, and click on next. See, this is the installation location or destination location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path where you have the enough space. Then click on next. See, this is the name in the start menu folder. Okay, click on next. If you want to create desktop shortcut, desktop icon, you have to select the checkbox. And others, I want to select all, register code as the editor for supported file types and add to path. Okay, click on next. See, this is the summary of the Visual Studio Code installation. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, click on install. Otherwise, if you want to modify, click on back and you can edit whatever you want. Then click on next, next. Install. See, installation has been started. See, successfully installed. See here, launch Visual Studio Code. If you want, keep the checkbox and click on finish. Now go to all applications or just search for VS Code. See here we have the Visual Studio Code, or in Windows Run just type code and hit enter. See, you got the Visual Studio Code, or even open CMD and type code and hit enter. See, you got the another Visual Studio Code application. Let's see here. If you want to create new file, go to file and select new file, or open existing one. And if you want to add extensions, go to here. Now you can search here and install. Okay. Now I am going to create sample Python file. I am giving hello world.py. Hit enter to save this on desktop. Save the file. Now execute or compile this one. Go to terminal, new terminal, go to this path, then go to CD, CD desktop, then Python, hello world. See, whatever is there in this, it printed. Even if you add these exclamations, then run again, save it and run. See, you got the okay. Same way we can create C++, JavaScript or Java, whatever you want, you can create by using this VS Code. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install VS Code latest version on Windows operating systems. Then we have seen how to create and execute the Python hello world program. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.